Museum of Modern Art here in New York. Isa ito sa pinakasikat sa mundo, and ito isa sa mga pinapupuntahan talaga. So, hindi naman talaga ito palalampasin. We've been through a lot of museums in Europe. First time here in New York, and MoMA is one of the best. So this one of Claude Monet's famous painting, Water Lilies. Puro Monet dito. Water lilies din to. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God. Tahong. Pero mas madami kang makikita ng Monet na painting in Musée d'Orsay in Paris. So that is Pablo Picasso's painting, La Demoiselle d'Avignon. He painted it when she was 25 years old. Ito natin. So this painting, actually, he kept it hidden in his studio for nearly 20 years. Sino? MoMA, MoMA. Excited. We are here in the Museum of Modern Art. Mas madami ditong mga bigating paintings or artworks. Like Van Gogh's Originals Starry Night nandito. And marami pang iba. So, we're excited to see.
You've been here kanina?
That painting is from Gustav Klimt, a famous Austrian painter. Ang title niya ay Hope. Ito naman, this is the artwork of American painter Jacob Lawrence, The Migrations of Syrians. European panel, native panels. Vincent Van Gogh's The Starry Night, the original artwork here in MoMA. So, tapos na. May isang floor actually na close kasi they're changing the arts. So, that's why tapos kami na medyo aga-aga. We are here in the souvenir shop, the MoMA. So, we'll check. It's quite interesting. At least yung pinaka-highlight talaga. I've seen The Starry Night of Vincent Van Gogh, original, and yung mga iba pa, familiar ako.